Alright guys, I figured I'd do something different today and take the Tahoe to a Cars and Coffee. But I think my Tahoe must have Corona or something. So I bring it over here to the Cars and Coffee, and there's literally nobody around my Tahoe. There's a guy pulling up right now, but there's all these empty spaces around my Tahoe. But if you look back further, there's cars everywhere. I think my Tahoe has Corona. Have you ever seen anything like that before?
Can we hear it?
I don't know how long it'd be able to play. You ever seen anything like it before?
No.
Pretty crazy.
Does the steering wheel work?
Not as a subwoofer because it has to have a magnet to work, but it does honk as a horn though.
Okay.
That's important.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's nice.
100,000 watts of total power.
Damn.
5 alternators. Do you see them?
No, I didn't notice.
So there's 2 alternators right here, and then there's 3 more over here.
It's got 5 alternators.
You know, if you turn that thing on, you're going to break some windows around here.
Oh,
Fire
no.
alarms are going to go off.
It does set off some alarms for sure. That's why we had to put that, it's a polycarbonate windshield in there.
Wow.
Bolted in, yeah.
That's why you bolted your window down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, when I first glanced at this, I thought it was a DB75 Neo. But we need to get him one on here so his Ugo horn will be super loud. How cool is this? Got the new bit.
Vertical doors. They have vertical doors for this you can buy aftermarket. Oh, okay. In Texas, they have Lambo doors, yeah. That's a lot of money. You want
Just think about it, man.
Yeah.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Come around. Did you see this side? Come around this side.
That will be...
A lot of people look back there and they have their minds blown. 6 18-inch subwoofers. 100,000 watts of power. Yep.
Damn, you need a doggone Las Vegas to power this thing.
I have to go still got you take the stuff off the head.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how long you been having this?
The steering wheel, it's only been on there for 2 years. I've had it for like about 10 years, but it's
You've been adding on to it as you go?
Oh yeah, just like anybody else's build, whether it be a race
I thought
car.
you just had this. I want this done like this.
Bang! Yeah, exactly.
That ain't how it happens, huh?
No, not at all. The guy had it for about 2 years, custom hand built. Like obviously the whole dash. It's got 2 iPad Pros in the dash. It's all digital. The whole console is custom made. Like everything's handmade, one off. Like there's not another one like it.
What's in there? Is that...
What's up, guys? Have you ever been playing your system and it just stops working the way that it once did, and you're like, what the hell is going on with my system? So I've had all the front door speakers out. I've checked the ohm load on all the amps on the side. I've had all the back door speakers out, only to find out this. Check this out. So while we had these speakers out, right, we were looking and we saw, if you look closely, tweeter bullet, plug. What the heck is going on right here? So I've been having this bad static popping noise through my mids. You want to guess why? It falls down in your door like this, and it's like, it messes it up and makes it sound like garbage. Alright guys, we're here at the Down4Sound meet. We're going to try to do some demos. It was not acting right earlier, but we'll try anyway. It's randomly cutting off and making a really loud pop when it does it. So if I like duck like I'm getting shot at, that's what happens, okay?
Now I ain't got a deal, but I got a rate. I call my clientele. I'm sorry for the wait. All these pounds in my trap, I feel like I'm out of shape. These bitches love me, man. I'm drinking. They taste like pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a race, pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a race, pulled up in a Porsche, pulled off in a race. I saw my old bitch yesterday, you should have seen her face. That bitch to a nigga.
Sorry, I have to keep it short, man. I got a line out there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you checking it out. Just push on the door. Thank you. Well, it played one. Let's see if it'll do it some more. Yeah. Give it to him. You like that, man?
Yeah, that shit's fire, man.
I appreciate it. You didn't get in?
I gave it to your wife.
Oh, thank you, man.
No problem, man.
Will you? There, thank you, man. What up, man?
Oh, you about to do it?
Your time to shine.
Right here. Yeah, bro. All right. Ready? Yeah. Make sure this thing's wiped off so they get a clean view. All right.
Pulled off in the race. Pulled up in the Porsche. Pulled off in the race. I saw my old bitch yesterday. You should have seen. Pulled up in that 911. Pulled off in a race. This my second one this year. It still got paper plates. I'm laughing off the lot the way I'm laughing to the bank. Ha ha. I got niggas. Raise up and in my fucking race.
Appreciate you checking it out, man. Thank you for repping that.
Like a pound, walking in the day. I be smoking what? It's a bad excuse me. Now I ain't got a deal.
Think about it, man. Yeah, man. Appreciate you checking it out. Just push on the door.
That's intense. He has to get the demo.
Pulled up in the Porsche, pulled off in the race. Pulled up in the Porsche, pulled off in the race. I saw my old bitch yesterday, you should have seen her face. Porsche, pulled off in the race. Got that Rolls Royce, that bitch too conceited. Then I got them feet, had to get them petty. Hold up.
What you think about it, man? It's pretty gnarly. Oh man, I got my chest on tight. That ain't right. That ain't right. See, how's it going? Chest on tight. Good. JP, destroy him. Huh? I like my long tight.
Different now that they see the person.
Bro, often I wanted some action. Whip that shit up with a bang. Niggas don't know how to act. When I pull up, bitch, you pull out the cameras. Pulled up in a Porsche. Pulled off in a race. Pulled up in a Porsche. Pulled off in a race. Pulled up in a Porsche. Pulled off in a race. I saw my old bitch yesterday. You should have seen her face.